Hey, my dear. Welcome to the Fluent Podcast for advanced English learners, where you learn new things each day and practice your listening skills. The topic of the day is...
all about Jay.
Let's go, my dear.
Welcome to this explainer. Today we're actually doing something a bit different and, well, highly interactive. We're going to take a really charming slice of life story and transform it into an immersive memory test. So get ready to pay super close attention. Your observational skills are literally about to be put to the test here. What we're diving into is kind of like a masterclass in finding deep joy in simplicity and structure. The real question is, can you retain those simple, joyful facts? Let's find out.
Let's jump right in with the exact opening words from our narrator, Jay. He says, "Listen carefully to my story because I will ask you some questions at the end. So, consider this your official warning. Everything we cover from here on out, it's a potential answer for his upcoming quiz. You're basically hunting for clues in the everyday life of a guy who genuinely loves his routine."
Section 1. Meet Jay, the teacher. A happy man. Let's start by getting to know our narrator. Jay is a happy, energetic, and wildly optimistic English teacher. He genuinely loves his job every single day. Now, picture our guide in your head. He specifically notes that he's neither old nor short. Instead, he's tall and thin, with short brown hair and bright blue eyes. Go ahead and lock that physical image right into your memory. Jay is a guy who thrives on consistency, and you can see that right down to his daily professional style. He avoids bright colors entirely. He sticks to this very specific polished uniform, a clean white shirt, dark blue trousers, a nice black watch on his wrist, and comfortable brown shoes. It's his signature look, and it totally removes decision fatigue from his mornings. Make sure to remember these exact items for later. Moving on to Section 2. Best friend Leo, the funny chef. Now, this friendship is a textbook example of opposites attracting. On one side, you have Jay, the taller English teacher who loves reading indoors and prefers a quiet life. Then on the other side, we have Leo. Leo is a shorter, stronger chef who works incredibly hard in a hot restaurant. He's got a massive heart, and ironically enough, for a guy who works around hot stoves, he absolutely despises the winter cold. They balance each other out just perfectly. Despite those physical differences and totally different career paths, these two share a really deep bond over music. They love playing the guitar together. In fact, they make it an absolute priority to hang out near the park by the supermarket every single weekend. For Jay and Leo, friendship isn't just about having fun. It means always being there to help each other out, no matter what. Okay, Section 3, a perfect weekly routine. Let's look at his busy schedule. So Jay's life really thrives on perfect structure. His week isn't just some random assortment of tasks, it is a carefully balanced rhythm. It kicks off on Monday at 6 a.m. sharp with breakfast and hot coffee, and he makes a very specific point to say he never ever drinks tea. Tuesdays, those are for teaching his morning class and taking a refreshing walk on the park. Wednesdays are dedicated entirely to visiting students at school to help them speak English. On Thursdays, he picks up fresh fruit from the market and does a bit of room cleaning. By Friday, he makes sure to finish work early so he can cook this massive dinner. All of this weekday discipline sets up the ultimate reward, a weekend of playing football with Leo on Saturday, followed by a deeply peaceful Sunday resting in his garden, just listening to quiet music. Section 4. Abilities and feelings. Let's explore what Jay can do. Beyond that highly organized schedule, Jay's got a pretty fascinating mix of talents. He can play the piano, confidently swim in the deep sea, drive a car, ride a bicycle, write long stories, and miraculously, he can read massive books in a single day. But, he's totally honest about his limits too. He definitely cannot fly a plane, he shouldn't be put behind the wheel of a big truck, and he doesn't speak Chinese, though he strongly emphasizes how much he really wants to learn. His emotional world is just as clear-cut. Jay passionately loves creative projects, helping his students grasp new words, morning exercises, and of course, that essential hot coffee. On the flip side, he absolutely despises boring paperwork. He hates freezing while waiting for the bus, walking in the pouring rain, and waking up late. Looking ahead, he's dreaming of taking a photography course and traveling to new countries to expand his horizons. Right now, at the exact moment he's writing his story for us, Jay is living in a perfectly peaceful present moment. Just picture it. He's sitting under a large tree with the bright sun shining down and a warm breeze in the air. There's no checking his phone, no watching a movie, just pure mindful presence. He's accompanied only by his sleeping dog at his feet and 3 birds singing in his beautiful garden. It sounds amazing, right? Section 5. Summer vacation plans. Always looking forward.
Looking at the beautiful map on his wall, his dream trip is mapped out step by step. Step 1, skip the TV and proactively pack his bags later this evening. Step 2, buy a brand new camera next week to capture all those memories. Step 3, next month, travel down to a stunning beach with Leo. And finally, Step 4, sleep in a small tent instead of a pricey hotel to save some cash. It's a foolproof recipe for a wonderful summer, spending time swimming in the blue sea every single morning.
Right, Section 6, the final quiz. It is time to test your memory. This is the interactive climax of our explainer. Let's see just how sharp your memory really is. Question number 1 goes right back to the very beginning. What is his job? Remember, he is incredibly patient. He genuinely loves it every single day, and he's deeply passionate about education. Got it? Yes, he is an English teacher. Okay, question 2. Where am I sitting right now? Recall that incredibly peaceful present moment we described just a few minutes ago. He wasn't watching a movie, and he definitely wasn't doom scrolling on his phone. Yep, he was sitting under a large tree, enjoying a warm breeze with his sleeping dog and 3 singing birds. Moving on to question 3. Who is my best friend and what is his job? Think back to the funny, strong guy who works with food but absolutely hates the cold weather. Did you get it? That's right, his best friend is Leo, the hardworking chef. Question 4 is going to test your visual memory of his simple, professional style. What am I wearing today? Try to remember his strict no bright colors rule. Well, he was wearing a clean white shirt, dark blue trousers, comfortable brown shoes, and a nice black watch. And question 5, what am I going to do next month? Recall those specific step-by-step vacation plans we just talked about. He isn't booking a fancy hotel. No. Next month, he and Leo are heading to a beautiful beach, sleeping in a small tent to save money, and swimming in the blue sea every morning. And that beautifully rounds out our memory test. At the very end, Jay turns the focus directly back onto you, asking, and at last, please tell me about yourself. We've explored his meticulous routine, his quiet style, his loyal best friend, and his humble dreams. But the real joy of learning stories is that it goes both ways. So, what would be on the highlight reel of your simple joys? What small, everyday routines build your perfect week? Think about that for a bit and keep those observational skills sharp until next time.
If you like this video, write in the comments, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and share the video with your friends.
Thanks for watching. Bye now.